This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy put options on Thinkorswim. First, log into your Thinkorswim account and select the Trade tab. Next, enter the ticker symbol of the underlying stock you wish to trade. This will display the option chain, where you can view various expiration dates and strike prices. Remember, a put option gives you the right, but not the obligation, to sell a stock at a specific price. Once you're on the option chain, you'll need to choose an expiration date. Consider how long you expect the stock price to move down. Then, select a strike price. This is the price at which you can sell the stock if the option is exercised. Look at the bid and ask prices to understand the current market value of the option before placing your order. After selecting your desired put option, click on the Ask Price to initiate an order. A new order entry window will appear. Here, you'll specify the number of contracts you want to buy. Each contract typically represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Choose your order type, like a limit order for better price control, then review all details carefully before confirming your trade. Once your put option order is filled, it's crucial to monitor its performance. Keep an eye on the underlying stock's price movement and how it impacts your option's value. You can close your position at any time by selling the put option back into the market. This allows you to realize your profit or limit your loss. Also, for easy meal prep solutions, check out the link in the description for some great leak-proof containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.